in a warm little room. Mimi the kitten was hiding under a thick, cozy blanket. Today, she was supposed to go to work at the cafe, but she didn't want to get out of bed at all. "I don't want to go," Mimi mumbled. "What if I spill the coffee again?" Her tail drooped, and her big blue eyes looked a little worried. From her little fishbowl, her friend Bubbles the goldfish swam up and said cheerfully, "Be brave, Mimi, you're not useless, you just had a little accident." Mimi looked at Bubbles, then gently gave herself a hug. "I guess I can try again." Mimi took a deep breath, put on her slightly wrinkled suit, picked up her tiny briefcase, and walked out the door. As she walked, she whispered, "I can do this. I really can." But, oh no, the bus was already arriving. Meow wow. She ran as fast as her paws could go, and just barely jumped on at the last second. She landed next to a rainbow-colored parrot, who squawked, "Whoa, little kitty, you almost flew faster than me." Mimi blushed and smiled a little. "I guess I can be pretty amazing." At the cafe, Mimi started her shift. She carried warm cups of coffee carefully with both paws. She focused hard, but suddenly, splash, the coffee spilled right on a customer's fur. The black and white cat frowned.
Do you even know how to serve a coffee?
Mimi's ears dropped. She looked down and almost cried. I'm sorry," she whispered. Just then, the orange tabby manager walked over and gently patted Mimi's shoulder. "It's okay, Mimi. Everyone makes mistakes. What matters is you're still trying." Mimi blinked, then nodded slowly. "I'll keep learning. Thank you." That night, Mimi went home. She changed into her cozy sweater and sat down to write in her journal. She thought about everything that had happened today. Today, I outran the bus, and I spilled coffee again, but I didn't give up. Bubbles said I was brave. The parrot said I was fast. And the manager said I'm still learning. I think I'm a pretty great little cat. The next morning, the sun came up and Mimi got ready once again. She stood in front of the mirror, practicing a little smile. "What new challenge will come today?" she asked. "No matter what it is, I'll try my best." Because Mimi knew it's okay to make mistakes. What matters most is to never stop trying.